I was thrown in jail in Miles County once. There's a kid in there. They'd been there 39 days for stealing a hat from Walmart. When I was thrown in jail, that was the time the sheriff's deputy tried to kill me and arrested me to cover up for what he did. 39 days for stealing a hat from Walmart. So I called a friend of mine and had him go on my computer and download a motion for court-appointed counsel. And he took it down he came down and they called this kid out and he signed it. He took it to the clerk of the court, and the clerk of the court said, well, I can't take this. I don't have a file on this guy. So the kid's sitting in jail. He's been there for almost 40 days, 39 days. And the clerk doesn't know he exists. He is essentially in a state of legal limbo, and he will be in a state of legal limbo until the prosecuting attorney squeezes a deal out of him, and then the prosecutor will file the paperwork with the clerk of the court, along with the deal. So it gives the prosecuting attorney opportunity to put the squeeze on you. You have no rights. You are stuck in this limbo, and there's probably a lot of people out there that's been arrested, and they can't file motions, they can't do anything, because there's no record that you exist. But you're still on bond, you're still restricted at your liberty, and that's why I was going to file writs of habeas corpus for all of these people who had been arrested, and there was no record with the clerk of the court showing, and that's why the magistrate's required to send it to the clerk of the court, because when the arresting officer or whoever brings the person before the magistrate puts a criminal complaint in the hand of the magistrate, that invests jurisdiction with the magistrate for the purpose of holding an examining trial, and for that purpose only. After the examining trial, if the magistrate does not find probable cause, the person's released at their liberty. If he does find probable cause, the magistrate is to prepare an order under 1617 showing that probable cause was found and the person was either released at their liberty, bound over for trial, set to bail, whatever. And then he's to issue a warrant and forward that warrant to the clerk of the court, and it is the warrant that gives the state jurisdiction. Absent the warrant, there's no jurisdiction. Absent a criminal complaint, there's no jurisdiction. Randy Kelton, Deborah Stevens, Blue Law Radio. We'll be right back.